How to make a rope corset. A rope corset can be used as a bondage tool or as a simple fashion statement. The former is more likely to be fashioned out of stout rope to serve as a control device. The latter might be fashioned out of lightweight rope or cordage, in colors selected to complement an outfit. Make sure that when you tie the rope corset, you wrap it taut enough for it to stay up but not so tightly that it restricts your breathing. Things you'll need: rope, sharp scissors. 8 steps to make a rope corset. 1. Fold your rope in half and grasp the folded middle point. 2. Pass the middle point of the rope around your body once, at the level where you'd like the bottom level of your rope corset to sit. 3. Draw both ends of the rope and its entire length through the middle loop you made. This is called a lark's head knot and should hold the rope snugly around your body. 4. Reverse the wrapping direction, bringing the ends of the rope back around your body in the opposite direction you began. Make sure this wrap sits above the last one. 5. Run the rope underneath the doubled loop from the lark's head knot. Then reverse direction and wrap it back around your body the other way, again making sure that this wrap sits about the last one. 6. Thread the ends of the rope underneath the loop made in the previous step. Then run it back around your body in the opposite direction. 7. Continue running the ends of the rope underneath the loop made in each previous pass, layering the coils of rope side by side up your body until you're happy with the height of your rope corset. 8. Tuck one of the rope ends underneath the previous loop or wrap layer. Then knot both rope ends together. This will keep your rope corset from unraveling.